Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are doing well. Students, we are in unit 3, that is spreadsheets in Excel. Okay students, we were solving spreadsheet examples and today we will solve the salary report spreadsheet. The following formulas are used in salary report spreadsheet. The first formula is to find out the gross pay, which is equal to hours worked multiplied with hour rate, and the second formula is to calculate the tax, which is 10% of the gross pay, and third formula is to calculate the net pay, and this is by subtracting the tax from the gross pay. Okay, first of all we have to type the heading and subheading in row number 1 and 2 and then enter data in the first 4 columns. We can see it here in this image. To calculate the gross pay, type equal to C3 multiply with D3 in E3 column. The result 800 will appear. Copy the formula of E3 and paste it to E4 to E7. You will get the gross pay of all the other 4 employees. To calculate the tax, type equal to 10 divided by 10 divided by 100 and multiply with E3 in F3 cell, which will display the result 80. Copy the formula of F3 and paste it to F4 to F7. You will get the tax of all the other 4 employees. To calculate the net pay, type equal to E3 minus F3 in G3 cell. The result 720 will display. And then copy the formula of G3 and paste it to G4 to G7. You will get the net pay of all the other employees. So it is difficult to understand the whole process by reading these steps, and that's why in the next slide I will be solving this example practically in the Microsoft Excel, so don't forget to watch that video. Okay, now we are going to solve this example in Microsoft Excel. We'll open a new Excel file. Okay, here first of all we'll write the heading, that is salary report spreadsheet. Subheadings are employee number, employee name, hours worked, that for how many hours he or she worked, per hour rate, gross pay, and then tax, and after deduction of tax we have to find out the net pay of an employee. So here the employee numbers are starting from 101. We'll just write the first number, then you can increment it easily by holding the control button and drag it to the position required. So there are 7 employees in this example. Okay, from here you can adjust the width of the cells. First employee is Zara, second is Sasira, Simon, okay, third is Dia, okay, and Mona. Okay, so total there are 5 employees. We'll remove these numbers. Okay, hours worked, that is 8, 7, 6, 8 and 25. Per hour rate is 100. Okay, the rate is same for all. We will drag it or copy it in the other cells. Now to find out the gross pay, formula is that hour worked will be multiplied with our rate. So here we will just write equal to, click on this cell, we will select this cell and multiply with 100, that is D3. So when I press the enter key, so it will calculate the gross pay, and for the other cells we will just drag it to the other cells. So accordingly the gross pay is calculated. Tax is 10% of the gross pay should be deducted. So for this purpose we have to type equal to, then 10 divided by 100 multiply with E3, the gross pay, 10% of the gross pay that we are going to find out as a tax. So select it. So here our formula is complete. When I press enter, that is 80. 80 is 10% of 800, which will be deducted from this gross pay. So that is the tax. For the other employees we will just drag it like this. So now we have to find out the net pay. Net pay is gross pay minus tax. So that is the gross pay. Okay, it's very easy. Press equal to E3 minus F3. When I press enter, it will give me 720. After deducting 80 tax from 800, 720 is the remaining net pay. We will drag it to the other employees. So the net pay of other employees are also calculated. So this is how we can solve this example. Let me change the formatting of this heading. Okay, we will click on the merge and center. From here we can change the font color. We can also increase the font size, and we can make it bold. Change the case to the subheadings. We just select it. So let's increase it. Make it bold. Also change the font color. Increase the font size. Okay, you can also adjust the alignment of these headings. You can also adjust the alignment of other data elements, make it at the center, or you can just make it left aligned. You can also make it these on the center to look more readable or presentable. Center. All of these should be center aligned. So this is how we can solve this example. You can also highlight the borders for this report. So outer borders can be made thicker, or you can just click on the all borders. So it's very simple. We have solved this example in the Microsoft Excel. Okay students, that's it for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.